Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about food chains in Antarctica. Firstly, we need to know what is a food chain. A food chain is a series of living things in which each feeds on the next. A food chain shows how living things rely on each other for food and survival. Food chains begin with energy from the sun. Using sunlight, water and air, plants can begin to grow. But which plants can grow in Antarctica? The freezing conditions in Antarctica make it difficult for many plants to grow. Algae is a type of plant which grows in the water close to the surface. Like other plants, algae uses energy from the sun to produce its own food. Algae is a producer. Animals and humans cannot produce their own food. They eat plants and other animals. In a food chain, animals are consumers. As few plants grow in Antarctica, there are few herbivores to eat them. Shrimp and krill are small animals which eat algae. They are consumers. Most animals living in Antarctica eat other animals, including penguins, seals, and killer whales. In this food chain, the sun provides the energy for the algae to grow. The algae produces its own food and is known as a producer. The krill eats the algae, the penguin eats the krill, and the killer whale eats the penguin. These animals are all known as consumers. For your hands-on activity, use pictures to show different food chains in Antarctica. For more information about this activity and more activities related to polar habitats, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, Polar Habitats. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!